So hi everybody, my name is Jay Dulnuan. I'm a healthcare virtual assistant with Hello Rage. So today I will assist you or help you on how to apply with Hello Rage. So um, their website is hellorage.com or this one, and I can put in the link below or isa-send ko sa'yo if ever nag-PM kayo sa akin. And then you can click apply here. So if you are um a dentist, you can choose dental HPA or dentistry ang tawag ito. Yeah, a graduate. Pero hindi board passer ng dentistry, it's okay. Apply ka here, and then veterinary, it's okay, or also for non-board passer. And then healthcare, VA, ito na yung in general. So pwede yung mga medtech, radtech, nursing, lahat ng healthcare, and also my course psychology. So you can click that and then apply now. Yan. And then here, makikita niyo yung mga overview or about HelloRage. So, summary lang, US-based siya. US-based yung um, founder. Pero yung mga nagte-train sa atin, um, based in the Philippines, and then yung iba din is minsan nasa US din sila. Nakiki-join sila sa Zoom trainings. Ayun. So, ano ba ang responsibilities or work pag nag-apply ka with HelloRich? So you'll do live virtual scribing, um, phone or email videos, respond to inquiries about healthcare. So yung mababasa mo lahat to. So yung pinaka-importante na laging tinatanong is yung mga requirements. So at least you have a computer or laptop na Core i3. Pero I suggest na if you have the budget naman, you can try yung mas higher gen, like Core i5, Core i7, kasi pag sa training medyo madami tayong nada-download na apps or files with HelloRage. So need ng mabilis na na system. Pero it's okay din mag-start sa Core i3, and then if ever nakapasa ka din, bahala ka na. Yan. So, LTE connection is not accepted. Yung data, hindi pwede yan. Dapat internet connection talaga na LAN cable or basta yung connected sa internet provider like Converge or PLDT. So, headset with mic. So, ang gamit ko is Jabra, or basta sa training naman is basta naririnig mo or clear, kasi medyo kapag yung mga cheap lang na medyo mahirapan ka talaga. Kasi yung accent ng US is hirap intindihin. Ayan, benefits. Yan, $7 per hour ang HelloRich. Ayan, so you can click this one, apply for this job, and then you fill out all this one, yung form. Yan. Fill out pa lang yan. Magbasa-basa na lang. And then, for resume, you can create your resume sa Canva para mas creative. So, you would make a good impression naman. Kasi pag yung Microsoft Word lang or parang, di ba, boring. So, why not make it creative? So, here is an example of my resume. Yan. Ito na kasi yung sinubmit namin, yung final oy, what happened? Na-check ng HR or mga admin namin. So, one pager is okay, two pager is okay. Yan, parang summarize lang. Para hindi masyadong, alam mo yun, 5 pages na resume. I-summarize mo lang dyan. And syempre, if new applicant, ang ilalagay mo lang diyan is yung title mo. So, registered nurse, registered medtech, or whatever. And then, you put your certificates, your skills, your education, experiences, ganyan lang. Yan. And then, kasi, oh, you can put pala your ano, referrals, references. Kasi ako hindi ko na linagay kasi ito na alam na nila na from Hello Rich ito kasi final resume ko 'to. And then yun, i-submit mo lang okey, don't forget to, of course, write my name sa referral. Where is that part? Yan. So you can click friend and then put my name, J. Dulnuan. So hindi malaki ang referral fee dito, hindi katulad ng ibang call center na 10,000 'pag ano 1K lang ata or 2K ang makukuha dito ta's after pa pumasa nung na-refer mo. So I just, um, hindi naman ako ano sa referral fee kasi, I'm just trying to help other healthcare professionals na talagang alam mo yon yung pagod na pagod ka na sa shift tapos delayed pa ang sahod tapos, ang baba ng sahod ng healthcare, healthcare professionals dito sa Philippines and relate na relate ako diyan. And then 'yan, submit application. Gano'n lang sis. Tas yung introduction video pala, 'yan, mag-ano ka lang, sorry, ah, I'm all over the place. Basta yung ano, introduction video meron kasi dito. Mag-ano ka lang, "Hi," you tell something about yourself, experiences, like why should they hire you, mga ganyan. Ako kasi parang, "Hi, my name is Jay Dulnuan. I'm a psychology degree holder. I graduated in the University of Baguio. I'm" sabihin mo na, for example, you're not a graduate of health-related courses. Parang sabihin mo lang na you deserve it because I have an experience with a healthcare account. I worked as a call center agent, mga ganyan. Tapos 'pag naman wala kang experience sa BPO, "Oh, I work in the hospital for how many years?" Ganyan. Gano'n, okey? 'Yun lang tapos i-submit mo na and then you wait for like, 1 to 2 days for the results, if pasado ka and then next na is interview. After interview, system audit, they will check your computer if you are qualified and then 'pag pumasa na, training, 'yun. Training and then 'yun, tuloy-tuloy na 'yan. So next video na 'yun. So for now 'yun na muna, yung application, how to apply. Okay, bye.